How to create a circle mask. Make a circle-shaped clip. Position it where desired. Select the main video and add a mask filter. Set the circle clip as the mask. Fit the video into the circle. Drag the mask filter to be the last one to keep the video within the mask. How to apply a video mask. Sync the video and its mask. Add a mask filter to the main video. Set the mask clip. Choose the correct mask mode. This mask relates to the main video, so drag the mask filter to be the first, to ensure video and mask sync.
Wide video.